Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 17 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And in the settings we need to scroll and find the option lock screen. So just tap on it. And as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so just tap on sleep. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds. And at the bottom the longest time option, which is 10 minutes or never, which means that after choosing it your device will never black out automatically. So all you need to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 10 minutes and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on after 10 minutes of inactivity this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.